What is up, guys? It is Zach Plochet, and in this video, I'm going to be doing the first ever, at least that I've seen, Django speedrun. So the rules are simple. It's going to be a simple Hello World Django application that is hosted on Heroku. So the rules are one, I have to build everything all the way from not all the way from scratch, but like all of my code I have to write and build from scratch. All of the commands I have to do from scratch. And then two, it just has to be working on Heroku without any issues. So just all of the Django basics, the admin, and it also has to have a database connected to it. So at least enough for me to make a user. So and you know what? I think just to make it a bit more interesting for like a basic project, I'll add like an extremely simple blog, so like only text and right now, and I think this will be a cool little template just for the future, so you can see my best, like my how I typically build these projects and how I build them pretty speedily, if that's the right word. I don't know. I'm not an English major or whatever. So those are the rules. I'm going to be building the folders and everything from scratch. So let's see here. As you can see, I have my timer ready. Got my Zoom, this thing, and so I think we're ready to get started. All right, so in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is create my folder. So this is going to be called Django Speedrun. I'm going to right click here, open with code, and boom. So this is working perfectly. All right, I'm going to open up terminal. Going to quickly create my virtual environment once this is up, and it's in PowerShell. I'm going to quickly make a new one and delete this PowerShell because PowerShell is shitty. All right, so pip env shell. Let's create our virtual environment. Get that going, and let's see. Yeah, so that's going to be the main thing that I need. I'm also going to create a Git repository at the same time. So git init right here, and go back to pip env. So the repository was created. This thing's running a bit slow right now. I'm going to assume that's because I'm on Zoom and my computer is a bit old at the moment, and for some reason it's on fire. So I'm gonna assume that's Zoom's fault at the moment. All right, so we're gonna pip install all of my packages that I use for this. So Django, let's see, Python decouple. I will install Pillow even though we might not use it. Django on Heroku, Python.env, Gunicorn, and I think that's it. I might be missing something. Yeah, I'll also install Django extensions. So let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, that's annoying. Pip install Django, not, oh, I see. Python decouple pillow Django on Heroku Python.env Gunicorn. Please tell me there were no issues there. Come on. Yes. Okay. Looks good. And I forgot Django extensions once again. So pip install Django extensions. Boom. And let's see. So that's there. Also going to have this guy. I don't know what the hell this is. All right. So those are installing. Now I'm going to say Django admin start project config dot. That's going to go and build all of our Django files really quickly. I'm going to take the settings. I'm going to press A, go to settings init.py. So it's a bit laggy because I'm going faster than my computer can, I suppose. All right, that's really slow. Come on, there we go. Nice. So add our settings here, rename this to base, go down, create 2 other files. So I'm going to create dev.py, production.py. In both of these, I'm going to say from .base import everything. So boom, from .base import star. I could have copied that and done a slightly more efficient vim command, but I didn't. So At the top here, I'm going to import all of the things that I know I'll need. Import DJ database URL from decouple, import config, and from .env, import load.env and find.env. Nice. All right, cool. So those are good. I'm going to delete these guys. So boop, 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 delete that, delete this, delete that, boom, grab this, go to our dev, paste, go to production, paste, change this to false in production. This one, I'm going to change to config, boop, boop, secret key. Oh, yeah, get that nice and good there. And this one, this doesn't actually matter. So ABC is good enough here. Local, yeah, loud host is going to be all here. And this one, it's just going to be Django. Whoop, Django speedrun.herokuapp.com. All right, and hopefully that name's not taken. Otherwise, it's going to be Zach's Django speedrun. So that is there. Let's see, DJ database decouple.env. Yep. All right, cool. So I'm going to be making, yeah, I think I set up basic blog app. So let's see that. Django, all right, Python manage.py start app blog. Let's make that really fast. Boom, go to blog here. Oh, also in settings, let's add this at the top. So I'm going to add .parent once again. And I'm going to add this part of our this file. So that's going to be Django. Oh yeah, import Django on Heroku. This is going to be Django on Heroku .settings locals, and yeah, we're going to leave that like that. I'm also going to say del databases default options SSL mode like that. Let's go to base. So we're here, 5 minutes. All right, nice. Databases. Yeah, so this part we're going to change a bit. Boop. So default is going to be, what do I want to do? Oh yeah, DJ database URL dot config. Default, oops, default equals SQLite db.sqlite, oh, SQLite 3 con max age is going to equal 600, and boop, add a ending to this dictionary, and that will be there. Right above this, we're going to say load.env, find.env. Boom. All right, that's good. Our static files. Okay, so we're not really going to have these, but just for good measure. Boop, static root equals base dir slash static files. Okay, so that's cool. Yeah, so that looks good to me. I don't think there's anything else besides I didn't add logging, but I don't think that's quite necessary. Right, so we have that. Let's build our model in here. I'm gonna say class log post, pretty simple, models.model. That's gonna have a title equals models.character field. Boop. Max length equals 255, and body, oh, accidentally deleted that somehow or didn't write it. Body equals models.text field. Good enough. Define string down below, self return self.title. Nice. All right, cool. Let's add, you know what, we'll add an admin here. Let's say this isn't technically part of the rules, but whatever. Let's just do it. Admin.site.register blog post, auto import that. Got it. Views, define a basic, define home, self. Oh wait, no, sorry, not self. In this case, it's request. We're gonna say posts equals blog post dot objects dot all. Write a little context. Boom, posts, and boom. Let's see. Return, render, request, home.html because this is just our home page, and add the context right after that. Now we have our view. And you know what? Instead of making that urls.py file on this one, we're just going to import this from here. Also, now that we have our base set up, and I think I added I did add the blog. Cool. Let's go to URLs. We're going to say from blog.use import home. So that'll be cool. Let's go here, path, nothing, home. That's our view. And okay, that's not my favorite way to do it. Like, if anything, I'd prefer something like this. So bloop, import views, then it could look a bit more normal. Views dot home. So that's cool. Yeah, so that should be good on this side. Nice. Right, so we got that, we got that, we got that. It should be all connected. Let's go ahead and say py manage.py, make migrations on this messy, extremely, oh, okay, so it didn't detect migrations. That's awkward. Py, why not? Why would you not detect a migration when I have a model right here? Migrations, nope, you're not seeing that. Base. Python. Oh, the pipenv shell. Py manage.py, make migrations, double ampersand, py manage.py migrate. Why is it not detecting? Oh, okay. So there's some issue here. Let's see. Bloop. Bloop. What is the problem? Databases is improperly configured. Please supply an engine value. But I have that package. Okay, well, that's not how I wanted this to go. But what did I type wrong? Config default pip install Django extensions. I think I already did that, so that's already. What is the problem here? Okay, well, this is a bit awkward, but I'm only making this video once today, and I can retry in the future. So let's see what I did on my other project. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. So hopefully this doesn't look too long. All right, let's see. So up in this guy, oh, that's not what I wanted to show. But that's actually whatever. I could change that easily. Okay, so URLs. Nope, we're looking for base. S3 databases. Default SQLite DB3. Did I type something wrong? G database URL. That looks the same to me. Con underscore max underscore age. Con default SQLite. No, that looks pretty correct to me. Why would that not be working? I wonder which Django version I'm using. Pip show Django. Oh, wait. Pip shell. Man, it really likes getting me on this. Py manage.py migrate in there. What is the problem? Settings that databases is improperly configured. Okay, let's try. Oh wait, pip install Django on Heroku. Did I not do that? That would be awkward. Let's set this to no. Okay. What the hell do you mean databases is improperly configured? That makes no sense. Databases default. Like, this is literally the same setting I have. How DJ database URL. Databases is equal to a dictionary. Maybe what happens if I put this DEFAULT, right? That's the same. That like here, maybe if we separate these, I'll see something. Okay, what happens if I say SSL require equals false? What does that fix it? Is that the magic pill? let's see. Pi manage.py make migrations. Nope. How does it not? I don't understand how it doesn't see the blog here. That's what I don't understand, because blog is there. All right, that does not compute to me. What in the hell is going on? I actually don't know what is happening. Let's see, baster. Settings.databases. Oh God, that was dumb. Oh my God. Okay, right. So manage.py. Okay, I needed to add dev here. I'm used to doing this in the later step, but God damn it. Well, whatever. You live and you learn. Now, if you're getting that error, you need to go to the end here, say .dev, and all of your WSGI, ASGI, and all of these files. .dev. So that's cool. Pi manage.py make migrations. Manage.py migrate. And yeah, so that was the issue, and that cost me a slight bit of time. Okay, that was annoying, but the show goes on, I suppose. So we have our views. Let's oh right, we didn't import this. So from .models import blog post. Let's build our template now. So templates home.html. Whoops, home.html. We'll build something basic. So Django speedrun bop. So h1, whoops, h1 all posts loop, and let's see, we're gonna say for posts in posts and for. Okay, boom, ul, do that right. Yep, right there. Bring that down. Yep, we're gonna say li. We're just gonna say post. Actually, you know what? We're gonna say bloop h2 post.title. You're right. RP. And boom, changes to p tag and post.body. That should be everything we need here. Sometimes I add a div, so let's do that, even though it's really not required or necessary. So class equals, oh wait, nope, sorry, he's using Tailwind display. Nope, also style equals display flex, flex flow column, and item, nope, border one, no, sorry, gap 10 pixels, just like that. We're going to say in our div here, grab that, put that at the bottom, boop, 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 boop. So F, boom, we're going to say style equals border 1 pixel solid black, just like that. And we're good there. So yeah, that should be everything as far as this stuff's concerned. Now let's go ahead and add some of our Heroku files. So I'm going to start with my proc file. I'm going to say web Python manage.py migrate double ampersand web. And actually, so this one, yeah, we'll use my notes here. So yeah, so web, no web here, gunicorn, and then config.wsgi. All right, cool. So I wrote that. Now we're going to need our runtimes or runtime.txt. We're going to say as well, let's see, we're going to say Python 3.10.0, I believe. So it should be roughly that. And yeah, so this should work. And I think 10.1 is the most recent one. So that should be fine. Anything else? Yeah, so we're going to need to say pip freeze, and then do our requirements.txt. Now, after this, we're going to need to do our Heroku stuff. So I'm going to say Heroku apps create Django speedrun, just like this, which it sounds like a package. Now, hopefully this wasn't taken. All right, cool. So I'm the first Django speedrun. Perfect. So after that, we're going to say, yeah, I think we have everything else. So get, oh, right. Yeah, we'll need to set some variables here. So Heroku config we're gonna say set DJ. Oh wait, no. Heroku PostgreSQL hobby-dev. Oh wait, no, that's not a set command. That's building the database. Okay, add-ons, create Heroku Postgres SQL. All right, so that's also something useful, just different part. Heroku Postgres. All right, cool. So we did create this database. I'm gonna say now Heroku config set Django settings module equals settings settings dot no config dot settings dot prod for production, and we're going to take a secret key. So I'm going to generate this really quickly. Django, oh wait, no, Python manage.py. I forgot to add Django extension, so this won't work unless I do that. So we're going to go right up here to our right here. We're going to say Django extensions, boom. All right, so Python manage.py, generate secret key, so we can have this to put on Heroku. Oh, whoops. Okay, I could have swore I did Django extensions, ext engines. Nice. All right, so install this. Now we have this here, and it's taken me 20 minutes so far. So boom, 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 boom. All right, cool. So let's try that again. Py manage.py generate secret key. Man, now I know I could do this so much faster if I just fix these small things. All right, so boop, copy. Let's go up to, yeah, so now I'll actually need to go to Heroku. So I'm going to go there. Let's go to Heroku, open up Chrome so it can take up all of my CPU. Heroku.com. Yep, that's where I meant to go. Heroku.com. Nope, don't need to restore the pages. I just need to get to Heroku.com. I prefer faster, but I mean, you know, Google, I guess they can take it. All right, well, that's obnoxious. All right, so verification code is going to be, all right, that's fucking annoying. All right, cool. Let's see. Boom. Verification code. Why did I have two-factor authentication on during a speed run? Let's see, two-factor Heroku 264063. Nice, verify. Okay, so now we're here. Alrighty, so Django speedrun right here. Settings. I don't know why it logged me out. That was so obnoxious. Secret key. Paste that there. And after that, I feel like I'm missing something. What am I missing? Right. So we need to add our git ignore. So git ignore.io. Nice. Django right here. Add this, create this. Yep, gonna copy all that. Copy. Nope, that's not what I meant to do. Copy. And go back to this. Add this git ignore file. So .git ignore. Gonna say paste. Also gonna add pip file here so Heroku doesn't pick up the wrong thing. And after that, git add .git commit -m hello. So initial commit. Funny enough. Oh, also, I will need white noise now that I remember that. So white noise, let's go to their docs really fast. White noise. Yep, that's roughly the right URL. I wonder if that's cheating if I already had it in my history. It might be. We'll have to make these rules a bit later. White noise. Yeah, so we just need this one, put it under security middleware in our application. Bloop. All right, security middleware inside of our base. All right, boom. Yep, right below it. So right here. Nice. And then grab the default or a static file storage here. Let's grab that. And after that, we should be good to push. Right, so right here. Nice. Okay, so that's fun. Git add, git commit -m, add white noise for admin styling. Git push Heroku master. All right, and let's see if I forgot anything. I don't think I did. I think we should be good now. I didn't even test it on. I didn't even test it on local, but yeah, I think I'm pretty sure this will work. Let's cross our fingers. What are we at on the time? So we're at 23, so about 25. Okay, so already we got something. No module. Right. Yeah. So I installed Django extensions after requirements.txt. Git add, git commit -m, update requirements.txt with Django extensions. That way we know what happened. Git push Heroku master once again. Please, please work. That's all I have to say there. And I'm gonna type in this command already because it's just gonna pop up at the end. If it works, you know what? Actually, I'll wait to see that it's working. So it worked. All right. So Heroku opened is the command I just typed and press enter. So once this is done, it's automatically gonna open our web app pretty much immediately. So yeah, 24. So we're almost there. Then I'm just gonna add like a blog post. I'm gonna add one blog post because that would make sense for a speedrun. So that's gonna open. So Heroku open, and hopefully Chrome doesn't take forever here. Also, well, okay, yeah, that works. Django admin Heroku speedrun app. All right, so all posts is here. I'm gonna create a super user really quick. So Heroku run bash. I'm going to say, once that's there, Python manage.py, create super user, username Zach, email skip Django123, Django123. All right, cool. So after this, I believe, yeah, so now we can just go to the admin, bloop, /admin. We're gonna say Zach Django123, enter, please log in. All right, so now we can add a blog post. Go here. All right, hello world, I win. All right, let's go save, not now, view site, and boom. All right, that's it. Pause. All right, so 26 minutes, 22 seconds. I bet I can beat this. Well, okay, I know for a fact I can beat this now that I figured out what those slight mistakes are. So yeah, that concludes the video. And yeah, hopefully it was useful seeing all of that build process really quickly. So yeah, awesome. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I really want to do more videos like that. And yeah, maybe I'll even like add more things to build as like time progresses. So like once I finally figure out that S3 error that I ran into, I can add that and some static files, some more static file management. And yeah, but anyway, that's a faster tutorial on how to build a Django site. Just I've been watching a lot of video game speedruns lately, so that's where this idea came from for today. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, please subscribe. That would mean a lot. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.